10 small business ideas for Muslim girls, face hidden and profitable. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, we're going to talk about something super important. Assalamu alaikum, sisters. Whether you're a teenager, college student, stay-at-home mom, or a working woman, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 10 halal, face hidden, and super profitable business ideas that girls of any age can start from home. Let's build your dream without compromising your values. Let's get started. Number 1, hijab pins and accessories. A hijab pins and accessories business can thrive by offering a variety of stylish and functional items. Consider specializing in magnetic pins, decorative pins, or unique hijab clips, and consider offering bundles or subscription boxes. Number 2, handmade self-care products. Handmade self-care products, business like organic lip balm, rose water, and soaps made with halal ingredients are available. These products often emphasize natural and organic components, with a focus on being free from harmful chemicals and alcohol. Number 3, makeup bag sale. A makeup bag sale business can be successful by offering a variety of unique and appealing bags, potentially focusing on a niche like handmade, sustainable, or luxury designs. Consider selling online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify, or even pop-up shops and collaborations with other businesses. Number 4, homemade mobile charm business. If you're looking for a cute, fun, and creative small business to start from home, making and selling handmade mobile phone charms is the perfect idea. These trendy and aesthetic accessories are super popular among teen girls and young women. You can start by designing charms using beads, pearls, smiley faces, alphabets, crystals, and even tiny plush toys. Each charm can be customized with names, zodiac signs, or cute messages, making them perfect for gifting. You only need a few basic materials and tools to get started. No big investment. Promote your creations on Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp, offer custom orders, and grow your small business step by step. Number 5, clay jewelry. A clay handmade jewelry business can be a fulfilling and potentially lucrative venture. Starting with polymer clay or air dry clay, you can create unique pieces like earrings, necklaces, and pendants. Number 6, crochet doll. Adorable, handmade crochet doll for gift and collection. Number 7, press-on nails. The press-on nail industry is a growing market with a projected worth of $2.23 billion by 2030 and offers opportunities for both established businesses and small entrepreneurs. Starting a press-on nail business involves choosing a sales platform, online marketplaces, e-commerce websites, or in-person sales, sourcing materials, and developing a marketing strategy. Number 8, jam business. Delicious, homemade jams from fresh, local fruits. Number 9, body scrub. Starting a homemade body scrub business can be a fun and profitable venture. Number 10, keychains, DIY handmade. A DIY handmade keychain business can be a fun and potentially profitable venture. See? You don't need to show your face or step out of your values to be a successful entrepreneur. If any of these ideas inspired you, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a sister who needs this. Until next time, stay productive.